Oh my God, it's so hot. Sticky. Just trying to do this before my face melts off because I have no AC. Hey, I'm Janelle, and this is toDIYfor. If you're new to my channel, I do new DIYs every week. I am gonna be taking next week off because I am on vacation as of tomorrow, which I'm really excited about. But I'm gonna do a really quick, easy DIY for you today. I've literally been seeing this decor all over photos on Instagram and on Pinterest, and my mom is actually the one who sent it to me and said, hey, like, you can make this, it's so simple. And then I was like, yeah, I can, and I can do it with dollar store products, so even better. So if you're not already following me on my YouTube channel, please subscribe, come back every week, and follow me on Instagram as well for more insight into like my personal life. I've been posting on there a lot more frequently. I've been trying to just do a better job of it. So you can go follow me over there at Janelle Steeper and always reach out to me that way as well. Let's get into the DIY.
So I was able to get these little wood round discs at the dollar store. This one came in a package of 4. They're made out of real wood, so that's good because I can stain them, but they're really thin. So what I did is that I glued them together with a little bit of wood glue, spread that all around, and sandwiched them together and clamped them together. You could glue more together if you wanted to make them thicker to give a higher end look. This piece was just one of those signs that they sell at the dollar store. It is made out of MDF, so you have to paint this one, but it was a larger circle, thicker. I think it's gonna look great when I'm done. I wanted to drill a hole in the center of it, so I marked that center point and drilled a hole. And then I'm gonna use wood dowels that I picked up at the dollar store, and I'm going to drill a hole in the bottom of this one so that I can put the wood dowel inside, and we can have a little stand for it. So for the platform of the stand, I'm just using this scrap piece of wood. I had painted it black, but I didn't end up using it in last week's DIY. So I'm going to cut it down into small little pieces. Each circle gets its own stand, and it's just a 1x6 board. So again, drilling in a few holes for the wooden dowels that I'm using to put these up on stands. I used thick wooden dowel for the large white circle that I'm going to do, and then I used actually just like barbecue skewers for the other ones. They're thinner, so it gave a little bit of a different look. So I wanted to stain one of those circles because it is made out of real wood. I whitewashed the other circle, and then I gave a white coat of paint to this large circle, and I added an extra coat of paint, and then I kind of went in with this little design with just like a circle and almost stamped it in to give it this kind of textured look. And I did that all over the entire thing. Completely optional, but I thought it was a cool effect. So I finished painting out these little boards that I did, and after gluing in the dowels and allowing them to dry, I painted those as well. And then as you can see, this just now slides on top, and you can glue that into place. As for these other ones, I had to clip them down, make them a little bit shorter, and because these wood rounds are so thin, I couldn't drill into them. So I'm just going to hot glue them to the back of each of these circles. So they're like supposed to operate as a group of 3, so I varied the height of all of them because I think that that looks best. And here is how the little grouping work out together. Really happy with how this DIY turned out. Again, everything came from the dollar store aside from the scrap wood for the base of these, and this project was super inexpensive to complete. It cost me less than $10 for all of the materials, and it is a really cool piece of decor that you can kind of alternate and move around as they are all mobile pieces. You could totally put them on one platform together if you wanted, but that's what I did.